Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Cesar here. Hope that you are doing well, and today I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to your affiliate marketing links. So I'm excited to record this video, guys, because I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do right now, and I mean this day, to get traffic to your affiliate links. Now let me show you my computer, and as you can see, before starting driving traffic to your affiliate links, guys, you need to build a landing page and set up your automation workflow. For example, let me click here. This is my landing page, and I'm using this landing page to collect leads for my affiliate marketing business. I have a good hook, and when people put their email address here, I'm going to send them this ebook. And when I have the email lead, I have set up an automation workflow, and I'm going to show you right now. I've been using the software GetResponse, and you can build many automation workflows for many businesses. Now, guys, so what is the main platform that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate links? So there's going to be a traffic challenge that is going to start on March 7th, and we're going to use YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. These are the main platforms that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate links, guys. Now, let me show you the step-by-step formula that I have been using today. So I just record a TikTok video, and as you can see, today I recorded this video. And then what I did is I upload this video as a YouTube short and as an Instagram, and that is the way you need to use these three platforms right now, guys. And if you want to get access to the 3-day business challenge, so let me show you. Jonathan Montoya is going to do a traffic challenge, and if you want to be a part of this to have more leads for your business, you can click the link in the description of this video, guys, so we can stay in touch. And also I'm going to send you information how to build your affiliate marketing the right way. Let me show you some of my results. So I have been promoting title plus courses since 2018, guys, and as you can see, this I have one sale yesterday, March 1st, $97. So you can see it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing. One email lead, one sale, and the EPC, initial payment, earnings per click, $5.39. So if you want to get access, guys, to the 3-day challenge, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. And if you like this information, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon.